How to import PST files into Gmail. First, we need to import PST files into Outlook. So let's open Outlook app. At the top left corner, click on the File tab. Select the Open and Export menu. Click on the Import or Export option. Select Import from another program or file, and click Next. Select Outlook Data File.pst, and click Next. Click on the Browse button. Select your PST file from your local directory, and click Open. Now click on the Next button. Select any specific folder from your PST file which you want to import, and click on the Finish button. You can see the folder and emails of the PST file has been successfully imported. Now let's open Gmail and connect the same Outlook account here. At the top right corner, click on the Settings icon. After that, click on See All Settings. Select the Accounts and Import tab. Click on the Import Mail and Contacts option. Here enter your Outlook email address, and click on the Continue button. In this screen, again click on the Continue button. Here again enter your Outlook email address, and click on the Next button. Here enter the password of your Outlook account, and click Next. If you want to stay signed in, click Yes, otherwise click No. Authorization successful. Now you can close this window. Here click on the Start Import button. Now click on the OK button. You can see the import process has been started. According to your Outlook mailbox size, it may take a few moments to complete the import process. Let's refresh Gmail, and you can see some emails already have been imported. With time, all the emails will be successfully imported. This process is quite time-consuming. For an instant migration, you can use our Regain PST Converter software. This software offers multiple features, such as convert PST to multiple formats, supports large and multiple PST files, recover corrupted PST data, preview emails before migration, and many more features. After you install the software, you will see this interface. Here simply click on the Add Outlook Files button. Select your PST file, and click on the Open button. Now click Next. Your PST file has been successfully imported. Here click on any folder, and you can preview all the available emails at the top panel. Click on any email and you can preview it at the bottom panel. Now click on the Cloud Migration option. Select Gmail. In this wizard, make sure Gmail or G Suite option is selected, then enter your Gmail address, enter password, and then click on the Login button. Now simply click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and according to your PST file size, it may take a few moments to complete the migration. You will see this message once the migration is successful. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.